All right, here we go. We are at the start of 9 o'clock right now. Oops. Okay, so we are at the start of 9 o'clock right now. Let's see. Oh, wow, it's actually dropping quite hard right now. All right. Okay, let's turn this off, turn this off. This looks like it's about to, if it cannot break down below 50, maybe we will look for the upside, but who knows right now? Who knows? Let's see. I don't think it's gonna come down to 45. I don't think. Could it? I don't know. Let's wait. Let's wait to see the reaction right now because right now we are sitting in the middle of nothing right now. We're just sitting in the middle of the trade where the price has been, yes, it has been dropping hard from like 70 down to all the way like 4,000 point, but at the same time, it doesn't show that it wants to come down anymore because of this bottoming tail having a reversal up at least like 2,000 point right now. So I'm thinking that if the price cannot come down some more, we might be looking to play on the bias towards the long side right now. So let's see. I'm not gonna rush into the trade. And right now, I'm still being more biased towards going short right now. But if the prices keep on going up, I am willing to try to play the pullback and go for long. So let's wait for it. So how's you guys doing today? How's everybody doing today right now? Oops. Here we go. Alrighty. Yeah. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea either. Like the day like today, definitely not my cup of tea either. I'm thinking that the price cannot go exceeding 44.50, like right after the drop. However, the graph, the charts can do anything. It, I'm here to try to predict the market, but the market can be so unpredictable. And let me just double check here if we have any news right now. So it's just gonna go for Forex Factory right now. Here we go. So now that we have New Year's, the New Year's vacation is over. So we're gonna have our 10 p.m. jobs report. So let's wait until that time. And then we can trade after the news because like I don't think it is a good idea to actually trade it before the news. So let's wait together before the news, seeing the reaction on the news, and then probably we can actually playing with the trend that the news is creating. So how you guys doing? Anybody playing sell today? Anybody playing reversal today? I don't think that it's gonna go up above 50 right now. I don't think it's gonna go up above 50 right now, but I don't have any enough confirmation to tell you to actually play short at this point. So I am gonna I'm gonna stick to my schedule and just wait. Let's wait for another half hour to an hour. when you don't know what you when you don't know what it could be happen, like if you don't know what it could happen, just stay safe and don't do anything. Just take off the glove, sit on your hand, rest and relax. That's pretty much how traders actually make money, by the way. They're not really make money by finding more opportunities. Opportunity is everywhere. They find it by fine tuning which is the right opportunity. So if it's not the right opportunity for them, they're not taking it. All right. Let's see here. By the way, I want to, I don't know who's here yet, but I want to explain something for new traders out there. Raise your hand if you're a new trader. Just say I. Just say I if you're a new trader. Because this is something that I found very profound that new traders always lose money. And it's because of this one reason. So if you want to know, just say I. Just say I if you want to know. Because this is something that I have been teaching a lot of, like coaching a lot of new traders coming in there, and I start to reflect back on how I became a professional traders, and right now I start to see the patterns that emerges from all this coaching that everybody kind of fall in the same line. Everybody have the same exact experience, and if you want to know, just say I'm gonna tell everybody here right now. Oh man. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna get my bottle of water. Oh, I feel like maybe I should have a stabilizer or something. For those of you who came in already, please click like, subscribe, and let's see if we can make some profits today. Come on. Right now we're just gonna sit back, relax. I don't think the price can go up above 50, so my bias is towards short side. But if it show me otherwise, I'm ready to actually go long at any moment given. Right now, we just wait. We just wait. If you sold at 50, congratulations. Um, Not particularly gonna be my kind of trade yet because it's still not having the same. I wouldn't have the same win rate if I were to just simply just sell it. Yeah, yeah. See, now it's spiking. If I just simply sell it whenever I feel like I came in and be like, I'm selling right now. It's not happening like that. I'm gonna wait for an opportunity. I'm gonna wait for a clear shot. Sometimes I don't know. This is an experience I have that when everything is aligned, it almost screaming at you to take the trade. So unless that is happening, it is wise to just sit back, relax, and stay out of the game. Wow, it would just spike and then like it dropped down and then it just spike up right now, really hard right now. Oof. Now it is it looks almost like a consolidation before the actual drop at around 10 o'clock, where that's going to be the news. I'm not gonna do a speculation before the news. I mean, I saw a lot of traders and news fundamental traders did place the action before the news. I feel like even with my best analysis, I still feel like it's 50-50. And if that was gonna be the case, I would rather have the direction being clear to me, just presented clearly to me before I took the trade. And let's see. Let's see if the price actually drop here. Oh wow. It went up what, like 6, 700 points. Wow. The price just went up almost 700 points, and then now it's dropping like another 700 points. วันนี้มาหล่อเชียว เพิ่งไปอันนี้เพิ่งไปชุมแล้วก็อัดคอนเทนต์มาครับก็เลยแต่งตัวนิดนึงแต่เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้กะว่าพรุ่งนี้ว่าตอนกลางวันเดี๋ยวว่าจะไปตัดผม ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณสำหรับกดไลค์นะคะ so anybody want to sell with me at 50 here มองหน้าไหนคะหน้าลง I'm actually short bias right now I feel like it's gonna go down ตอนนี้มองหน้าลงค่ะแต่ว่ายังไม่มีจุดไหนให้เข้านะใครอยากเสี่ยงสามารถเข้าที่50ได้นะสามารถเข้าตรงนี้ได้นะที่ประมาณสัก50เนี่ยแต่ว่ายังไม่เล่นอ่ะยังไม่เดี๋ยวจะมีข่าวตอน4 ทุ่มนะทุกคนจะมีข่าวตอน4 ทุ่มนะ so that's gonna be news at like 10 o'clock and right now I don't think I'm gonna be putting any position on as of the moment because it doesn't look like it has a clear direction to go one way or the other. Of course, from what I can see here right now, that the price cannot stand above 50, and it is very likely that we are going to see it towards the short side if it continue to do this in the next few minutes here. Like, do this mean just going sideways? So let's see what happens. เข้า S50 กับ52มาแล้วค่ะเสียวไส้อยู่ stop loss so stop loss อยู่เหนือ55ถ้าเกิดว่าเข้ามาแล้วเนาะ stop loss อยู่เหนือ55 so she was asking like I had already had like a sell position at 52 and 50 would it be safe it is kind of come down right now but it's kind of swing up and down quite a lot and I would say like I said before I don't know the future but from what I can see right now it have a really hard time breaking above 50 just kind of consolidating around this 50 area so my money is on it going lower to the downside but how low it will go I have no idea and I don't even know if it's gonna break or do anything I pretty much wait until 10 o'clock when this news come when the news came everything gonna be clear because it either gonna spike up or spike down and then we're gonna choose the direction after the pullback so right now nothing to do I would be more biased towards shorting right now because like I can hardly see it had the strength to actually stand above 4450หนูควรโดดลดก่อนไหมคะกราฟไม่ชัดเลยว่าจะไปทางไหนพี่มองลงพี่มองลงเอาจริงๆนะไม่ต้องพี่ว่าเราถือได้จริงๆนะซับลอสที่55ถ้าเกิดว่าได้5250มาซับลอส55มันเหลือเฟืออยู่แล้ว Yep, it's going down right now. Way down right now. Way down right now. Oof. Let's see. Let's see if it can go down to like 40 right here. I think it's still gonna be consolidating before the actual break, but I don't know. I don't know. Feel like, I mean, it already gone down to like 30, so the fact that it will come down even lower than that is pretty much a given. Should be anyway. Here we go. It's dropping. It's dropping right now. Like I said, I'm still not gonna take any position in until it clearly show me the way. I'm thinking that if it gone down to like 40, maybe if you could secure some profit right here, but I'm not taking any big risk trying to go for like a huge move sometime soon here. So พี่ว่าเดี๋ยว40เนี่ยอาจจะ take profit ไปก่อนก็ได้นะสักประมาณสัก40อะไรประมาณเนี้ย I'm waiting right now to see if the price can actually go down some more. My aim is around like 40. If it can go down to 40, then yeah, it will be good to secure some profits there. หนูว่าจะ TP 38จะหลุด40ไหมพี่ว่ายากเอาจริงนะพี่ว่ายากที่จะหลุด40ตอนนี้42ยังไม่หลุดเลยเนี่ย So she was asking that we would go down to like 40, maybe even 38. My suggestion, here's my suggestion. If it does break 40, don't get the TP at like 38. Get it something like 37, 36, somewhere around there. Because if it does break down, the moment it breaks 40, the round number, it's definitely going to go to the next level, which is either going to be like 35 or like 31. I mean 35 or like 30. And you don't want to missing out on that. So if let's say you have a position that is either gonna break or not breaking, I would suggest that you either take some profit out or if you're gonna risk it, don't just have a TP a little bit below the breaking support because then it wouldn't be, why would you risk a lot of money try to get that extra 100 200 points? that's no that's not a good sound investment. What you want is to get um more when you're actually risking trying to get the break or not. So that's my advice for people who are actually trying to get the exact maybe like zero or that TP at 36, 37, 38 or something like that. Just look for more of a price action. If it kind of struggle to break a certain level, mm, don't try to be a hero and try to get that extra, 50, 70 points. It I don't think it's worth it. Like if it come within the 100 points, 100 to 200 points of your target, and you already have like more than 1 to 1, it is a good idea to just secure your profits. So นะครับก็เมื่อกี้นี้บอกว่าถ้าเกิดเอาจริงนะเวลาเราตั้ง target เราตั้งTPSL อะไรพวกเนี้ยผมชอบให้ทุกคนแบบ ถ้ามันแบบยื้อก่อนถึง TP อะนะแล้วแบบเฮ้ยดูทรงมันไม่ค่อยดีมันจะทิ้งปลายไส้บนหรือปลายไส้ล่างหรืออะไรทุกอย่างที่แบบว่ามันทิ้งปลายไส้ที่มันจะไม่ไปถึงจุด TP ของเราอะไม่ต้องพยายามจะเอาแบบ20 จุด30 จุดอะไรพวกนี้นะให้ให้เก็บเลยนะครับให้เก็บเลยหรือถ้าเกิดว่าอยากจะลุ้นจริงๆก็เอาออกมาครึ่งหนึ่งก็ได้แต่ว่าถ้าเกิดว่าจะลุ้นจริงๆแล้วมันแบบอีกแค่ไม่กี่จุดอะมันจะถึง TP แล้วเนี่ยอย่าลุ้นแค่ TP ให้ลุ้นเบรกไปเลยนะครับ กลัวโดนว่าไม่ทนฟ้า มันคือความว่าไม่ทนฟ้า มันพูดอย่างนี้แล้วกัน ถ้าเกิดว่าเรามีสูตรของเรา แล้วมันได้1 ต่อ 1แล้วนะสมมุติว่ามันได้1 ต่อ 1แล้วทีนี้มันเกิน1 ต่อ 1แล้ว เราอยากได้1 ต่อ 2โอเค เข้าใจเราอยากได้1 ต่อ 2แต่ถ้าเกิดว่าเราได้แบบ1 ต่อ 1.5แล้ว1 ต่อ 1.7แล้วเราเหลืออีกนิดเดียวกับการที่มันลงมาโดนหน้าทุนเรา หรือการที่แบบลงมาชน FL เราหรืออะไรอย่างเงี้ยก็รู้สึกแบบเราจะไปทนกับอีกนิดนึงทำไมนะตอนแบ็กเทสใช่ตอนแบ็กเทสเข้าใจว่าแบบเราต้องการให้มันแบบชัดๆชัวร์ๆอุ้ยขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณซันนี่นะคะthank you Sunny thank you Sunny เข้าใจว่าทำไมแบ็กเทสมันแบบเป๊ะๆเพราะเราต้องการตัวเลขชัดเจนเนาะแต่ว่าในการเทรดบางทีมันก็มีสลิปเปบางทีเขาช้าบางทีนู่นนั่นนี่มันมีเหตุผลอะไรมากมายเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยให้เป็นแบบสายอาร์ตนิดนึงว่าแบบไม่ต้องเอาเป๊ะอะไรขนาดนั้นเนี่ยอย่างตอนเนี้ยมันถ้าเกิดว่าถือไม้เซลล์นะแล้วเราก็รอดูว่ามันจะเบรกลงมาไหมอีกนิดนึงเพราะว่าตรงเนี้ยถ้าเกิดว่าเป็นจุดนี้ถ้าเกิดมีออเดอร์แล้วมันเป็นจุดวัดใจว่ามันจะเบรกหรือไม่เบรกนะให้ถือรู้ไว้เลยว่า ถ้าเราเบรกอย่าเอา TP แค่41เนื้ออกตอนนี้มันยืนที่43 42ประมาณนี้ใช่ไหมอย่าเอา TP แค่41ให้เอา TP เนี่ยหลุดไปเลยก็คือเบรกลงจากแท่งเทียนนี้อาจจะไปถึง37 38อะไรก็ว่าไปเนอะ she was asking me about how I feel about trading with the system where you have to hold it until TP. If it's not TP, it's not a win, and being really strict about it. I would say that in trading, don't be too strict about it. Like try not to be anyway, because if you're too strict, it will really hurt you in the long run. One, you'll be feeling guilty and like, am I doing something wrong? Try like, and you have a hard time believing in your system. Where if it like, let's say coming close, like maybe 20-30 points, almost hit your target, just take it, just secure it, because here's the thing about trading, it's never an exact science. It's really depend on people who agree with you to trade in your in the same direction as you. So if let's say you are coming so close to your target but you didn't exactly get the target, hey, you don't need to try to get that exact amount, you know, because you can have a little bit of fluctuation. Sometimes, uh, if you already seen the resistance already, you can feel it that the level cannot break either the support or the resistance, and you try to get that few extra 100 points maybe. It will hurt you in the wrong, like it will hurt you in terms of your mental game. It will hurt you in terms of like you're punishing yourself and stuff like that as well. It will happen like that a lot. So what I want you to do instead is securing maybe half, sometime something to kind of reduce your risk or your pressure in making the decision. And if it does break, don't try to get just that 10 or 15. See, right here, I'm actually rooting for it to break the support right now. But if the support that is breaking is actually are huge right now. Ooh, wow. Holy crap. This is interesting. Here's the thing, guys. The two, wow, that's really wild. So the two, so the news came out, and there are two broker that doesn't have a agree price right now. That's very interesting, because it usually is the same within $1 or $2 range. Right now, somehow this thing drop, this one doesn't, this one spike up, and now it's starting to agree with each other. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Let me take a look at the Forex Factory right now. So the news came out. The news seems to be spiking up right now. Oh wait, the news is actually at 10 p.m. Why is there is a spike right now? Let me just take a look here. Yeah, the news is at 10 p.m. So why is there a spike right now? Weird. The spike is coming from New York session. The spike right now is actually coming from New York session, which could be more manipulations, maybe, perhaps. Not too sure. Wow. Okay. I'm biased right now toward going short right now. I'm biased. ผมมองลงนะตอนเนี้ยผมมองลงนะผมยังมองลงอยู่นะตอนเนี้ย Wow. That creating the tail. Let's see if we can drop down some more right here. I don't really want to see the drop below 40 right now. I wonder if it's gonna happen. Yeah. I wonder if the drop gonna happen. Right now, the price action telling me that with the spike at around at 30, it's whoa, 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 whoa. Again. Wow. You know something? I would say like right now would be a great like it would be a great time for people who do like martingale and just having a really huge gap in their martingale because $2-3 is pretty much going up and down within like 1,000 point within a minute or two here. So they will be earning quite a lot if the martingale uses like every $2 something like that. Because from what you can see right now, it's like jump up, jump down. Doesn't really choose the direction and just kind of swing it wildly in this consolidating period right here. Wow. Wow, that's very interesting. Sometimes when it swing wildly like this, it might be a good idea to actually take a profits and just run right now. I don't think that the price would want to go up right now. I think it should go down. However, I still don't see a huge support right after that spike down and then like a huge gap up, like about 1,000 point up in within like 1 minute. So I think that we are looking to, oh wow. Just as I was saying that I think we're looking to go headed up higher right now. I think we are heading up higher right now because of the spike in at 8 o'clock, and right now it's about to matching the high of the previous candle. So if it does go beyond 55, it definitely is going up. มุกยังถูอยู่ไหมคะตอนนี้บอกเลยว่าวัดใจอยู่นะวัดใจอยู่นะคือมันเหวี่ยงแรงมากตอนนี้และไม่ได้มีข่าวอะไรด้วยนะเก็บแล้วค่ะโอเคเวิร์กเก็บตอนที่มันลงไป4142ใช่ไหมเออดีแล้วดีแล้วเพราะว่าจริงๆนะมันค่อนข้างเดายากอยู่นะตอนนี้ว่ามันจะไปทางไหนเนี่ยเพราะว่ามันแบบมันเหวี่ยงแบบ ดีดขึ้น 1,000 จุดดีดลง700 จุดดีดขึ้นอีก500,000 จุดแล้วนี้ก็ตอนนี้ก็เริ่มที่จะลงอีกแล้วเนี่ยเก็บไม้52ไปแค่300ได้50หน้าทุนเอาจริงพี่มองลงนะ I'm biased towards going short right now. I'm really biased towards going short right now, but it swings so wildly that I feel like even if I'm entering right now at a good price, I might get stopped out if I'm not careful here. So I like it swing like 500 point, 1,000 point within like look at this. It's almost 1,000 point within like a minute here. That's gonna be a drop right now. That's gonna be a drop right here นะฮะตอนนี้ผมมองว่า40อาจจะทะลุนะ40อาจจะโอเค it's breaking right now it's breaking right now guys it's breaking right now wow unbelievable it's actually dropping hard right here down to 40 wow almost come down to 35 right now. And here's the thing, news not even come out yet. The news not even came out yet. Wow. Yeah, I have no idea how to play this right now. Um สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะอลิน Ooh, it just keep on dropping. It just keep on dropping right now. Interesting. I feel like when the news come, it's gonna drop even harder. Let me just take a look at the news right here, because okay, so the news at 10 o'clock is about the ISM service PMI, which is predicted a little bit lower than so it's expected a little bit lower than previous. So they expect the economy to actually did worse. However, I don't think it will. From what I can see here, I don't think it will. So I think that the price, the numbers came out will be green, will be quite good because it has been good for the past, let's see here, for the past 2-3 months. It has been pretty good. They've been underestimated. The forecast has been underestimated. So I'm pretty sure that this one will be the same. That it is very likely that we're gonna see it's the job is being green, so it will have add pressure to the goal, and it will come down some more. And let's see the joint jobs opening right here. So for the joint job opening, let's see range. Okay, I want to see the detail of it. So it predicted the forecast is predicted lower than what it has been previously. And so if it predicted that it was worse and the number is getting better because it has been better last time. My prediction, we're gonna have a drop today. My prediction, we are going to have a huge drop today in gold market. So if it does go up to 44.50 near 10 o'clock, I might even consider to put in a small position just to test the water. I'm gonna put in a small position before the news. Okay, let me just tell this to my room here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go back to charts. Wow, yep. All right, stop loss on the sell position is going to be like 1,000 point. I am going to wait. I'm going to wait until at around like almost like 50, then I will sell it. Right now, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna wait until like near 44.50, somewhere around there. And today's news, I think we're gonna have a drop because it has been, try to break this level for quite some times now. And I think it will punch everything, every support down all the way to 44.16 level. So let's see if that is the case. That's gonna be interesting. If we can actually sell it right near 44.50, that would be great. I think that we can see a clear drop right now. So with this clear drop, I think that it is very likely with the news, I think it's supported as well that it is very likely that the news will come out to the downside, supporting the U.S. government. I feel like the U.S. government is on a winning streak right now, so I'm actually willing to bet that the dollar will get stronger. Yep. เดี๋ยวรอนะใกล้ๆใกล้ๆ4 ทุ่มอ่ะพี่จะเล่นเซลล์แบบ2-3 นาทีก่อน4 ทุ่มนะครับเดี๋ยวจะเล่นเซลล์2-3 นาทีก่อน4 ทุ่มและหวังว่ามันจะอยู่ใกล้ๆ50นะเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดมันอยู่ใกล้50เนี่ยเราจะมีโอกาสได้ราคาดีๆเลยนะฮะขอบคุณครับจันบอส so as I was saying I'm thinking of making a short position right near around 44.50, and if we can get it around there right before the news, great. Then we can actually แต่งสวยมากครับขอบคุณครับ we can actually get a really good price and have a quite tight stop loss as well. So let's wait. This is gonna be good. 15 more minutes. Oh, did I? I forgot to share. 1 second. I keep on forgetting to share my channel. 1 second, 1 second. I was wondering why there's nobody coming in. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, it's dropping. It's dropping already? God dang. Wow, it's dropping so hard right now. All right. We're waiting. We are waiting. Rò นะ คนรอนะ ตอนนี้คือแบบ กินโกแก่นอนละ เออแต่เล่าเรื่องอะไรตลกให้ฟัง เมื่อ4-5 ปีที่แล้วพี่พี่เข้ามาในเมืองไทยนะซึ่งพี่ก็ไม่ได้เข้ามาในประเทศไทยแบบอยู่ในประเทศไทยนานแล้วพี่ก็ได้ยินคนพูดถึงตอนนั้นสาหร่ายทอดกรอบมันยังเพิ่งมาแรงก็พูดถึงเฒ่าแก่น้อยพี่ก็นึกเลยว่าอ๋อเฒ่าแก่น้อยเขาพูดถึงไอ้โกแก่นี้เปล่า คือแบบว่าไม่ใช่เพิ่งมารู้เพิ่งมารู้แบบปีที่แล้วเองนะว่าบอกว่าอ๋อเฒ่าแก่น้อยนี่คนละแบรนด์กันเหรอเขาไม่ได้พูดถึงไอ้โกแก่นี่เหรอ โอ้ไม่จบกันงงเลยตอนแพนิคแทบรวดเดียว10,000 จุดไม่ได้หรอคะ ใช่ไหมยึกยักยึกยักพี่ว่าวันเนี้ยข่าวออกมาเชื่อไหมข่าวออกมานะทิ้งตัวเลย I don't know who did sell at 44, 46, but congratulations. I'm getting ready to sell closer to the 10 p.m. time right now. The 10 o'clock time right now. If it does get to 10 o'clock, I will sell it. Definitely going to be putting really small lot size here. I'm putting like 0.01 because I want to simply trade it on the market here. So I'm not gonna play very much. I'm willing to prepare to lose like 1,000 point, maybe even 2,000 point nowadays. Looks like 2,000 point is like a norm now. So playing at like 0.01, possibly maybe 0.02, maybe like 2 order of 0.01. We'll see the reaction first. But right now, don't rush, don't jump into it. I think a lot of people are waiting for the news. So right now, wait for in the next 10 minutes. Just simply wait. Don't tell me it's gonna break. Don't tell me it's gonna break right now. Come on. That's uncalled for. If you did sell right now, you will have a huge stop loss which it could just wick you out that you cannot hold the pressure of like it going like maybe 1,500 point 2,000 point and then come down. So what I would do is to simply wait until the very moment before the news because the news is going to swing hard anyway, and even if it does break down already, the news gonna come in and then help it break down for more. So you're never too late to actually get in on the news. What we want to happen is that it kind of struggle to break, going up a little bit, at least like in the next 5 minutes here. We saw it going just steady up to the upside. Oh my god. One moment. The battery is going down right now. Darn it. No. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. The battery is about to go out. Oh man. Oh jeez. Don't do this to me. I am about to have a trade that is going to be highly likely that we're going to see a target, and I don't want to miss out just because my battery is not ready. All right, here we go. My God. Okay. All right, getting ready. แม่หมออารมณ์เขาแม่หมออารมณ์ดีขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับผม so we are waiting right now. All right, here we go. Here's the spike up. Let's see how high this can go. This is the reason why I said to wait, okay? Because market can be quite unpredictable, and we don't want. So the market can be quite unpredictable, and it will consolidating, especially right before the news. If there's gonna be a drop, it is very likely that the drop. You know what? This is getting. I think the battery will go out pretty soon here, so I'm going to switch it to this phone right now. Come on. Okay, I'm switching over, and I have no idea why my lip is so my lip is so pink right now. All right, just give me one moment trying to find one that, oh no, that's not okay. Some kind of filter that is not too okay. No. There we go. Okay, this looks good. There we go. Jesus. All right. Okay, here we go. That looks good for me. Anyway, all right, we are about to enter short selling in the next 5 minutes here. So เดี๋ยวเราจะเล่นเซลล์กันอีก5นาทีนะฮะอีก5นาทีนะครับผมขอดูก่อนว่าราคาตอนนี้เนี่ยตอนนี้ถ้าเกิดราคาไม่ได้ไปเหนือ50นะฮะเดี๋ยวเราจะเล่นเซลล์นะฮะ so right now I can see that the price cannot pass 44.50. If this were to be the case, it is very likely that it's gonna drop down very hard at the news, because we're gonna have the news at around 10 o'clock. We have both news, and I take a look at the fundamental now. It is very likely that we're gonna see a drop here, so you could sell it. Of course, stop loss with the all-time high right now. Possibly you might be looking at like 2,000 points, and be prepared to actually lose that money as well. Don't I like I said, I don't have crystal ball, so whatever I said could happen, could just as well go the other way. It's almost like flipping a coin here, but it's very likely that I with everything that I have with every fundamental that I have analyzed, I think it's very likely that we are gonna see it going to the downside. So I'm just waiting. Let's see if I can boot this up in time. We are going to be selling it right before the actual drop. I mean, when the news came out. Okay. Right now it's actually going up to 51. That's good. That's good. Just keep going up and up and up. This is getting people to get shaken out, because there are a lot of people, I'm sure, that's selling it at like 40, 45, somewhere around there. And then this will be the spike that get a lot of people out. Then when the news came, it will drop. So I'm actually more certain now than ever that the price will drop, and we are going to be waiting to selling it in the next 2 minutes. So at around like 58, we are going to be selling it. All right. Come on, come on, come on. And like I said, don't play too much here. Don't play too much here. I'm trying to play as little as possible because the swing is very widely right now. 2,000 points should be your good stop loss right now. I don't think it's gonna go up more than 2,000 points. It could, but if it does go up 2,000 points, you definitely need to take your profit. I mean, take your position out. Okay, have your stop loss at 2,000 points. I am about to enter a trade right now. I am going to put 0.02 one order, and I am gonna enter right now. I am entering right now. I'm entering right now. Come on, I'm selling right now. I'm selling right now, guys. ขายเล่นเซลล์แล้วนะครับ ขายแล้วนะ ขายแล้วนะ I'm selling right now. 2 more minutes. Oh, and it already dropped like, my God, it already dropped so hard right now. Jesus. All right, here we go. Getting ready, guys. 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. 15. 15 more seconds. Let's see if we can hit our target here at around 44.15 right now. Let's go, let's go. Boom! There we go. Down, baby. Come on. Come on. Down. Down, baby. Down, baby. Down, baby. Down, baby. This is what I'm talking about. This is what the reason why I'm ready to get in at around like 44.50 because I see it cannot go past a few times now. So right now we're just risking it, seeing if it can break 44.40, and we're gonna hit our target at around 44, at least 44.30 right here. Let's go, let's go. Break it down, baby. Break it down, break it down. Just the way we planned, right? Just the way we planned. We said to be selling it before the news, and now we are going down right now. Let's go, let's go. Breaking it. 1,000 more points, and we're going to hit our first target of 2,000 points. Woohoo! This is going to be a big win for me. Break stop loss at break even. You can do stop loss at break even right now because it is already breaking down. SL at break even. Everybody, SL at break even. So you should not be risking anything right now. การตั้งทุนเลยค่ะการตั้งทุนเลย Woohoo! Sweetness. All right, now we're just gonna root for if it can break down below 44.40 right now. If it does break down below 44.40, we are riding this trend all the way down. The fundamentals, of course, gonna be supported. Let's see here. Let's refresh the news. And what did I tell you? Job opening. I mean, the PMI is great. Oh, interesting. The job opening actually quite low. Okay, that kind of changed my plan a little. Put a stop loss at break even, because now the news is giving me a little bit of mixed signal, but I believe the ISMP PM service should I mean the sorry, the ISM service PMI should have more impact than the number of joint job opening, from what I have read so far. So let's see if we can break down this 44.40. If not, we're gonna secure this and then lock in 1,000 points. But here we go. Broke down below 44.40. Let's see if we can break down below the low here at 44.35. If it can break down below the low at 44.35, it will definitely go down all the way down to our target. Our target is 44.30 right now. First target 44.31. So right now we are waiting. It's already breaking 44.40. So we're waiting for it to actually drop down and break below the low here. Let's see if it can actually break below 44.40. I think it's very likely. So let's wait for it. Right now, stop loss that break even. No matter what, we are definitely not going to lose our money today. พี่มองว่าลงได้ถึงไหนนะคะเดี๋ยวมี target แรกที่ 31 แล้วก็ target ต่อไปที่ 16 ค่ะไม่ใช่16 17 There we go 17 นะ17 นะall right, let's see. Okay, now it's kind of stand a little bit above 40. That's not good. It should drop. It should continue to drop in the next 5 minutes here. Should continue to drop in the next 5 minutes here. So let's see. ดูมันดีน่าเกลียดเกินจริงเดี๋ยวรอดูนะเดี๋ยวรอดูลงยังไงก็ลงแต่สมมติถูกไหมว่ามันไม่ลงนะเราก็การหน้าทุนเรียบร้อยแล้วยังไงเราไม่เสี่ยงออเดอร์นี้บอกเลยออเดอร์นี้เราไม่เสี่ยงละหมด หมดจนได้ Okay, that's not looking good. That's not looking too good right now. Good news is we are getting a really good drop here. We're getting a really good drop here. Just want to know if we could get another drop below 44.40. If we can get a drop below 44.40, that would be great. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost. I'm really rooting for it right now. I want to see it drop like right here below 44.40 and then just like keep on breaking, because here's the thing. If it's not breaking, this is what it looks like. It have a bottoming tail, bottoming tail, bottoming tail. So if this candle cannot close it in the next 20 minutes or so, then we are unlikely to actually be heading down lower, because it needs to first break 35, then it will have to break 30. So that's where my aim is at right now. It's actually right at this support. That's why I have my first target at around 31, because I don't know if the price gonna break 30 or not, because this seems like a huge support right here. But I have a high hope that once it does break 30, it's gonna go all the way down here. So let's wait for it. หนูหงุดหงิดกับกราฟแล้วค่ะตอนนี้เทแล้วก็แต่ก็ลงไม่สุด คือจริงๆอ่ะมันเป็นขาขึ้นอยู่ ก็เข้าใจอ่ะว่าทำไมแบบพยายามกดแล้วกดอีกกดแล้วกดอีกมันก็ยังไม่ลง คือมันมีหลายปัจจัยหลาย fundamental หลายอย่างที่ทำให้กดลง แต่ถ้าเกิดมันมี demand เยอะมันก็ราคามันก็ยังลงยากเพราะว่ามันมีคนรับซื้ออยู่ตลอดเวลานะครับแต่ว่าพี่มองว่าตอนนี้มันเป็นช่วงเทขายยังไงราคาก็ลงนะครับ so I was saying to one of my colleagues here that yeah, I understand your frustration, because the price not going down all the way, and it is quite frustrating. But you got to realize that we actually are on an uptrend right now, and the uptrend is not going to go down easy. I mean, it already gone down quite a lot this morning, going down to like 4,000 point, 5,000, 6,000 point. It already gone down quite a lot. And today, I think we're gonna see about 10,000 point move. However, just give it some time, give it some room, because we are actually on an uptrend. And when it is on an uptrend, we are playing against the trend. There's gonna be a lot of people who waiting to get in on the long side, because they feel like they're missing out. They don't want to miss out. So they will be waiting for the support. That's why each support on the uptrend is quite hard to break. But here's the thing. If every support is broken, that's when the panic selling gonna come in. So imagine that you are placing your buy limit and you thought you're getting a good price, but the price just keep on dropping right after you actually picking it up. So you don't want to lose that money, especially when it comes down so fast. So you are likely to head into that panic mode and start selling at losses. And that's where the sell-off war gonna be happening, and it's gonna go down all the way down. So that is not what I'm seeing right now, and especially the gold is such a stable commodity. I don't think that's going to be happening, but I can see that in this recent episode, like day today, tomorrow, maybe the next day, it's gonna have a huge sharp drop, and then it stabilized. So let's see what happened here. We are selling it down right now, 44.40. Let's see the breaking right now. น้องจะลงไปปิดแก็บ1 ชั่วโมงไหมคะ มีโอกาสค่ะ มีโอกาสนะคะพี่มองว่ามันน่าจะลงไปอย่างน้อยเลย target แรกคือ 31 target ที่ 2 เลยคือ17 ก็คือโซน DZV นะคะ Alright, here we go. Here we go. Breaking down right now, breaking 44.40 right now, and it is about to breaking down the low of 38. And here we go. Let's see if it can break down below 38 right now. If it can break down below 38, it's gonna go down to our first target at 31. So let's go. 31 right here. Come on down. So we're selling it at 49, and we are taking our profit at around 31, which make us secure 1,800 points. If that comes out, here we go. Breaking down right now. Gonna hit our first target right here. It's about to hit our first target right here at around 31. Come on down. Hit around 31 right here. Come on, that's going to be our first target. You could secure your first target if you wanted to. I am likely to ride all the way. Going to use my 15 EMA like we're talking about. If you haven't if you don't know it, just check it out on my at Pro with Trader. I post it on my channel, and right here it's about to hit 31. It's about to hit 31 right now, coming down right now in another 300 points, 200 points now, 200 points, and it's gonna hit our 31, which is our first target, and we are about to have our first 1800 points. Come on, coming down some more. Come on, coming down some more. It's gonna hit one more minute, guys. One more minute. It's gonna hit 31 right here. Come on, come on down. Come on down right now. Gonna hit our first target. Right. Boom. Right there. Hit our first target. All right. Perfect. TP1 hit. Boom. Right there. TP1 hit. Oh, I didn't. Man. I didn't play it too short right here. We are shorting it like right here at 49. My apologies. I didn't put it there. So we hit our first target right now. All right. We've hit our first target right now. We are still riding it. First target hits. First target TP1 hits. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it if it can break down even more. But I imagine that if it cannot break down below 30, we're going to see a spike because, like I said before, this is getting to be a demand zone right here. So I want to see within the next few minutes here, will there be a drop continuation after the drop here at around 30 right now? Let's see. If not, nothing to it. We secure our first profit at 1800 points, and we are not reaching 44.16. 44.17, sorry. 44.17. All right, here we go. It dropped. Need to break 44.30 right here. It's going to break 44.30 right now. Let's go. Let's go. About to break, and bam, boom, wham, baby. Headed down right now. Headed down right now. 44.30 breaking right now. Heading down lower. We are about to head to 44.20. Another 1,000 points. Come on. Let's go. Let's go for another 1,000 points. So we're going to have our second target right at 44.17. Right here. That is basically the DZV limits. Let's see if we can actually get it right now. Right now, we should not have any risk at all. Actually, we should secure some already at the break even. And boom, right there, coming down right now, guys. Just keep on going down right now. Keep on coming down right now. Let's see if it can break 20 right here. TP1 hits already. Yes, TP1 hits. Let's go for TP2 at around 44.17. This is coming down great. It's going to come down all the way down right now. It's going to be all the way down right now. 44.17. Come on. Come on, 44.17. Actually, I don't think. Yeah, it's start to have less power now. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it will reach 44.17 now. Kind of have a huge spike here at around 44.25. Let's see if it can come down. I'm going to wait a couple more minutes before I'm deciding whether I'm going to get out of this trade or not. I'm going to wait a couple more minutes, at least to have the minute candle finish. And here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. If you have a position in that you think, how should I say this? If you have a position in 1 minute time frame, always wait for the 1 minute candle to finish before you're making any decision. Because if you did not wait in your time frame for the minute candle, 3 minute, 5 minutes candle to finish, you won't get the picture when the person actually reading it. So, for example, when it is topping tail candle, in the middle, you will see that the candle is actually pale green and you get really scared. But if at the end of the candle, the price just spiked down, leaving a huge topping tail here, you can be assured that the price will likely to come down. So that's the thing. When you're actually playing in a 1 minute time frame, you need to wait for each minute candle to close to recognize it as a red or green candle. And I always wait for at least two green candle before I decide that, yeah, I might need to take some position off, because it is very likely that we are seeing the end of the downtrend. So that's my gameplay. You can have your own gameplay, doing your own back tested, but this is what I have been seeing so far. If the price continue to come down, it will come down all the way. And look at this, guys. Look at this. We have 700 more points before we reach our target here at 44.17. All right, come on. 700 more points. 700 more points, guys, to reach 44.17 right now. Come on, let's go for the second zone on the DZV. Come on. Let's go all the way down, baby. All the way down. I'm gonna wait. If the candle is green and have two green candle, I'm gonna secure my profit, but I'm not gonna do anything until it actually finishes the candle right now. And I don't know, I don't care how hard it spiked up right now. I'm willing to wait to see it clear itself out. Come on. 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the candle. Now it's pure green. If this candle does not turn red and go below the low here, which is basically the low below 23.5, if it doesn't go below 23.5, I am willing to try to secure some money right now, but it needs to break below 23.5 right here. So let's see it. Let's go, baby. Come on. Right now, it's really clear that it has a support at around 25. Just want to see if it can break down below that 25, if it has the enough momentum, because the price right now just dropping, guys. Just dropping from 44.50 right at the news, around 2,500 points already. So let's see if it can actually break down to go down below here, down to the เติม S ได้ไหมครับไม่ได้ค่ะตอนนี้ไม่ได้นะ เติม S ไม่ได้นะพี่ไม่ได้เล่นเติมเลยนะ So right now, let's wait for it to break, because right now it's starting to stay below 44.25 right now. But like I said, if it cannot break below 44.25, I am still not convinced that we're going to go down lower. So it needs to break 44.25, need to go down to 44.20. And once it breaks 44.20, that's when we're going to secure our profit. And like I said before at the beginning, don't try to get the whole thing in. If it's like 18, 19, and it just kind of stabilized around there, doesn't really get the exact 17, leave it. We get whatever we can get, and oh, boom, right here, it seems like the price just spiked right now. So I am going to take my profit right here, securing 2,000 point here. Because I don't think with this spike right now, I have no idea if it's going to continue down some more, or will it just spike up for now, because right here at around 44.25, it actually spiked up more than 700 points right here. So with 1 minute candle like this, I'm gonna wait for the drop on this one to stay below 44.30, but I am not going to wait too long here to secure my profit at 44, possibly 44.29, 44.30, right around here. All right, come on. It's not coming down for me. It's not coming down for me. If in the next 20 seconds it's not coming down still and the next candle being green, I am going to try to close it as early as I can. All right, 15 more seconds. It's about to head down. Yes, no, maybe. 8, 5. Change candle. Here we go. Boom. Change candle right now. And doesn't seem like it wants to go down. Doesn't seem like it. Let's wait for one more red candle here. Come on. Come on, guys. Oof. Come on. One more red candle breaking down below 44.30. Come on. Get down. Get down, guys. Get down. Get down right now. So right now, I'm thinking that if the price cannot come down below 44.30, I am going to secure my profits right here. Basically securing it at our first target at 44.31. But let's wait to see the finish of this candle. If it can finishes and in red and the next candle is red, I am going to continue to hold. So come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change candle. Let's see. Is it red or green? Red or green? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Red. Being red right now. Nope, nope, nope. It's not dropping. It's not dropping. It's red, but it's not dropping. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Oh, bam, baby. Here we go. Oh, no. It's like, bam, baby. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't think we should secure our profits right here. We should definitely secure our profit right here. I don't think it's gonna go down anymore. Very, very unlikely that it will go down anymore. I think we reach our first support at around 25, and I don't think that it will have enough strength to actually continue some more. You could try to hold it if you have like a small position size in, but I would like to at least secure some money right here. I mean, money is good right now, and I don't think it's gonna break 30. We could wait a little bit more, but if it cannot break down below 30 again in this candle, in this 1 minute candle here, I am definitely gonna secure my profits right now. And come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's not breaking 30. I'm gonna secure it at 31. I'm gonna secure it at 31. Gonna get like a nice 1800 point and that's it. Come on. Yep. It's not coming down. Come on. Come down. Get down here. Done. It broke up. So yeah, we only got the 1800 points. One second. Takes profit at first target. With 1800 points. Boom! Right there. All right. Okay, we're done for the day. Whew, that was a nice day work. หนูเก็บไม้แล้วค่ะสยองใช่โอ้มันโหดจริงวันนี้ so how do you like that? Already take our target with me here today at around 1800 points. If somebody get like 2500 points, congratulations. I don't dare to actually close it at around 25. But once I saw the rejection up to that 44.30, I was thinking, you know what? I'm taking my profit right here. I'm done. I'm good. I don't want to sell 40. ไม่ค่ะไม่ค่ะ I don't want to take any more risk. Today, it is one of those days where I know how to predict before the news. That's why I enter it before, and everything kind of aligned to all the resistance, all the evidence that it cannot go past 44.50 plus is the whole number. So everything kind of aligned, and it's very likely that it is going to be going down. So I put my I placed my trade on it, and somehow it's actually dropping like 1,800 points, 2,500 points on the money here, and I was happy, more than happy to actually secure that profit and booked it. So hope you guys like my trade today. I'm pretty much done. If you want to know more about my strategy of trading, how I trade it, and all the insight on how to grow your account, be sure to check out my courses. It's on Whoop, and it's actually on my website as well. So if you want to, click the link on my portfolio, and I will see you in the next live session, in the next video as well. Have a good one. Bye, guys. Um, so yeah, I'm pretty much done here. Here to lead the trade, live trading. If you like it, learn with me some more in my courses. I couldn't teach everything here for you, but I can regularly grow my account. Simple as this. Nice 500, nice 1,000 point here, 1,500 point there. Today it was 1,800 points, and we're just gonna keep on growing. The reason why นี่เดี๋ยวขอตอบน้องมุกนะคะเมื่อกี้นี้ถามว่าทำไมไม่เล่นเซลล์ที่ 40 เพราะว่ามุกลองไปดูที่ time frame ครึ่งชั่วโมงดูค่ะ ไปดูที่ time frame ครึ่งชั่วโมงดู จะสังเกตแล้วก็ time frame 1 ชั่วโมงด้วยนะ จะสังเกตว่าถ้าเกิดมันปิดปลายไส้แบบทิ้งไส้ขนาดนี้ที่ประมาณ 2530 พูดง่ายว่ามันมี demand มาเยอะมากๆนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยการที่เราจะกะว่ามันลงต่อมันต้องปิดแท่งเทียนไม่ใช่แบบนี้มันต้องลงต่อไปเลยเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยพี่ไม่เล่นเซลล์ต่อถึงแม้ว่าเซลล์ต่อมันอาจจะนิดๆได้หน่อยนะแต่ว่าใน time frame 1 ชั่วโมงมันไม่อำนวยและมองว่ามันน่าจะดีขึ้นเลยด้วยซ้ำนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นจะใช้ opportunity นี้ที่จะรอมันย่อและก็อาจจะเริ่มเล่นขาขึ้นแล้วแต่ว่าก็ทั้งนี้ทั้งนั้นวันนี้มันก็ลงมาทั้งวันการเล่นขาขึ้นมันก็เป็นการสวนเทรนด์เพราะฉะนั้นก็ระวังไว้ด้วยถ้าเกิดจะเล่นสวนเทรนด์นะคะก็ประมาณนี้ละกันso I was explaining to one of the traders in my group here that if the reason why I'm not about to place another short order, even though it looks like on this 1 minute time frame, it looks really good to, here it's hit the turn-on sign, it has a short signal, so it is really likely to come down. Well, you got to look at the bigger picture here. The bigger pictures always, like the bigger time frame, always control the smaller time frame. So, and I actually teach this in my course. If you have a bigger time frame that controlling the smaller time frame, always go with the bigger time frame. And when you can see this right now, it actually just closes in this 1 hour candle, right? Sorry, not 1 hour, a half hour candle right here, where it leaving this bottoming tail, and it's leaving the bottoming tail exactly at the 44.40, which is basically a huge demand where the price just spiked from 44.40 up to like 4,500, which means that there's going to be a lot of demand in this zone right here. And as you can see, the evidence is clear that the price spiked down and going all the way up, spike down again and going all the way up. So in the next half hour to at least an hour, I would be more biased toward the long side. It might have a little bit of drop, but I don't think it's going to drop all the way down to 44.20 or 44.17 anymore. And I think that it might have a little bit of a drop, sure, but it will eventually go all the way up because that is this person that has this demand right here. Let me just highlight it right here. This person that has a demand zone right here that came from this demand previously over here is not willing to take that position off. So it is very likely that we are going to head up higher. If you are going to continue trading, I will be more cautious if you want to play a sell. I don't think you're gonna be going down too much now. And if you are going to be placing a buy, make sure that you have a really nice stop loss, because like make sure you have a nice stop loss that coincide with your strategy, because it could actually come down to like maybe 44.40, 44.30, maybe all the way down to even 44.20 before it rises up again, because this demand zone is huge and you are just up above the demand zone right here. So if you are going to play after this, make sure to be very cautious, very careful, because in either way, whether you're going to be going long or going short, it seems like the stop loss is quite huge right now. So be careful นะครับก็จะบอกว่าระวังไว้ด้วยแล้วกันนะและตอนนี้ทำไมแบตจะหมดอีกแล้วเนี่ยผมว่าเดี๋ยวต้องซื้อโทรศัพท์ใหม่ละมีใครแบบมีแล็ปสำหรับโทรศัพท์ใหม่ไหม ว่าจะสวิตช์ไป iPhone อยู่นะเดี๋ยวขอเปลี่ยนโทรศัพท์อีกรอบหนึ่งโอ้หรือว่าเดี๋ยวลองใส่ปุ๊บอ่ะ เผื่อได้อีกนิดนึงเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวก็จะลงไลฟ์แล้วนะฮะเผื่อมันได้อีกนิดนึงจะได้ไม่ต้องเปลี่ยนไปเปลี่ยนมาเดี๋ยวอีกประมาณ15 นาทีถ้าเกิดว่ามันออฟก็คือออฟเลยนะพี่ก็จะปิดไลฟ์ตัวนี้ละเออ60 หน้า S ไหมคะพี่ไม่เล่น S ละกันเอาจริงนะจุดนี้นะพี่ไม่เล่น S ละ S พี่ได้มาแล้วพี่ก็มองว่าโอเคพี่ได้ตามทุกอย่างที่พี่คำนวณไว้เรียบร้อยมันมาถึง target แรกมันไม่ได้ไปถึง target 2และมันดีดขึ้นมาเนี่ยต้องมาดูตัวนี้นะเนี่ยมุกต้องมาดูตรงนี้นะมันดีดขึ้นมาจาก25ตอนนี้มันขึ้นมา50แล้วให้ดูว่ามันกี่นาทีนับนะจาก25นะประมาณ18จนมาถึงตอนนี้ใช้เวลาแค่ประมาณ12นาทีที่จะขึ้นมา 2,500 จุดเพราะฉะนั้นมุกต้องถามนะว่าเฮ้ยการที่มันดีดขึ้นมาแรงขนาดนี้ยังน่าเซลล์อยู่ไหมแรงบายมันมหาศาลมากนะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยถ้าเป็นพี่เจออย่างนี้พี่เทค profit แล้วพี่ไม่เล่นต่อแล้วนึกออกไหมเพราะว่ามันแรงเกินที่มันเป็นดีดขึ้นแล้วเดี๋ยวมันจะลงต่อพี่จะเล่นตอนที่แบบมันแบบย่อลงอะไรอย่างเงี้ยมันแบบรู้สึก nice trend แต่ตอนเนี้ยคือมันเป็นการสะบัดไล่เมาและพี่โชคดีที่เมื่อกี้นี้ timing มันดีแล้วก็ได้เก็บมาแบบ 1,800 จุดแบบเน็ตเลยแต่ถามว่าตอนเนี้ยพี่มี winning edge หรือเปล่าก็ต้องตอบว่าไม่มีแล้วนะตอนเนี้ยพี่มองว่าเฮ้ยไอความได้เปรียบ winning edge หมายถึงความได้เปรียบมุมที่เรามีความได้เปรียบที่เราจะสามารถเอาชนะและดึงเงินจากตลาดได้เนี่ยตรงเนี้ยพี่ไม่มีแล้วพอพี่ไม่มีแล้วผิดสูตรพี่เหลืออีกเวลาไม่ถึงครึ่งชั่วโมงที่พี่จะเทรดพี่ปล่อยเลยพี่ไม่เล่นแล้วนึกออกไหมใครอยากเล่นเลยเชิญเลยแต่ว่าพี่รู้ว่าในสถิติพี่ตรงเนี้ยพี่ต้องแบ็กออฟแล้วพี่ได้เงินแล้วพี่หนียกชะตานะคะพี่ไม่ได้เล่นตลอดเวลา so so as I was saying that I explained to my traders here that I don't think that you should be selling right now, even though if you sell, you might get like a nice 500 to 1,000 point. But you gotta take a look at this. The trend, yes, one trend. The reason why selling is good is trend today is actually on the short side. However, you really gotta think this that on this half hour to an hour time frame, you have a long bottoming tail right now that doesn't look like it's going to be breaking down below very much. And right here, this is the DZV zone at 44.17, and it doesn't look like it can come close or even breaking that 44.17. So the fact that it is going to come down is very unlikely. I think that we're going to see the end of we already see the bottom for today, and the fact that the price jumped up from 44.23 44.24 here up all the way right now. What is it? 44.51. That's over 2,700 points right now. The fact that it went up 2,700 points within just as short here, within like less than half an hour, I think it's about 20 minutes here. So the fact that it went up 2,700 points within 20 minutes should make you cautious of trying to get more selling position in. So you gotta be, here's where experienced trader differentiate from the beginner's trader. Experienced trader will look at the overall of what the chart is happening, and like I always said, every new candlestick is a new information for you to evaluate and see if you still have the edge in the market. If you don't have your winning edge in the market, don't get in. You are unlikely to actually making money. But if you said that, hey, yeah, it's fall in line from what I'm actually trading right now, so I'm gonna be placing a short order. Sure, great, that's your strategy. But for me personally, this is my own personal strategy. I would love to actually have it pull back no more than what I have my previous high. So when the price is actually come down like this, and the price cannot go up beyond this turtle line, and it kind of trickle down, this turtle line is diagonally coming down, then that's where I would say, hey, I have the edge, because no matter what, the price will continue coming down. But right now, I saw too many evidence that convinced me that the price might be bottoming out right now, and I should not be aiming to sell to try to get the next 500,000 points here, but it could turn around at any moment, or I don't even know if this is the top or not. So with all that evidence, I feel like it's better for me to book my profit that I made earlier at 10 o'clock here and just leave the market getting ready for tomorrow. And that's going to be my advice for everybody who's new to this market, that you always evaluate if you have the edge in the market or not. If you don't have the edge, take your money out. You don't need to put your money at risk when the edge is not with you. So I hope that helps. And if you want to know more, definitely check out the link down below and then welcome to my course. Okay. เซลล์56เซลล์51 TP 46ค่ะ work เนี่ยคือต้อง TP เร็วๆอ่ะถ้าเกิดจะเล่นนะก็ต้อง TP เร็วๆเพราะว่าพี่มองว่าเล่นยากละตอนนี้นะอาจจะเล่นเร็วแบบนั้นได้แต่ว่าแบบคือพี่อ่ะจะเล่นแบบ TP อย่างน้อย1,500 1,800 2,000 2,500 3,000แบบยาวๆเลยถ้าเกิดมันรันได้แต่ถ้าเกิดรันไม่ได้ก็ไอ้เล็กๆน้อยๆเนี่ยก็เอาเหอะแต่ว่าสาเหตุที่พี่มาเล่นในช่วง3 ทุ่มถึง5 ทุ่มเพราะว่ามันมีการสวิงเหวี่ยงที่แรงแบบเนี้ยและถ้าเกิดว่าพี่เล่นไทมิ่งดีๆอย่างเมื่อกี้นี้ที่เล่นเซลล์ที่50เนี่ยมันสามารถเก็บได้แบบแม็กเลยนะคะประมาณนี้โอเค there we go alright มีคำถามอะไรไหมทุกคน yeah I'm pretty much done. I forgot to do that again. My God. You know what I forget? I forget to put in the flashcard where I invite more people in, just basically promoting my channel. And I was like, that would have been a great play today. Like just place it on and be like, let's go, baby, let's go. And it's gonna be so much excitement. But I digress. It's okay. It's okay. I have my money today. I'm good. No, I'm not good. I want more. I want to milk this. Um, I highly get the TP at like at the news, and today is one of those days where I actually get right at the news, and can't believe I didn't get that. I forgot to do the flash card. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. All right. Anything else? All right. So welcome everybody who's coming in, um joining us for today. My advice for everybody: always have maximum loss and maximum win for the day. Always, always. The reason is because when you do have that, you work very, you will be so comfortable to work within your mean. What I mean by that is that let's say you have $1,000. Let's say you have $1,000. You divide it out to 20 trading days because in each month there's approximately about 20 trading days. So you divide it up by 20, you have like $50 each. That's gonna be the maximum loss for the day. If you are having like 20 consecutive losses, except that you blew account and just be done with it. But if it is very unlikely, especially if you play within the if you play according to your back test with your strategy that's proven, it is very unlikely that you're gonna hit 20 trading days in a row. So it's here's my sample size. It is very likely on a 55% to hit 4 losing day in a row. It's like very likely, like about like 90-95%, something like that I calculated before. But then the number gets significantly reduced when the price is going from like 5, 6, 7. And then I was like, you know what? Let's say 10 days in a row that you're losing consecutively, because I did have that before. I had 10 consecutive losses, basically 2 weeks worth of losing. And they said that, yeah, it could happen, but the likelihood that it can happen is about 2%. That's profound, because just imagine this. If you only, if 10 days in a row, you have like 2% chance, then it is very likely that you're going to have win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss all the way. And if you can survive more than double that, basically survive for 20 trading period, then you're very likely to be able to win in the long run. Because if you lose if you lose two, you only need one good trading day to recover that. So let's imagine that you have your worst 2 weeks that you're losing for 10 days, but then you recover it within 1 week of good week. What do you think would happen? You have one more week of like worry free, because now you're getting back to break even. So that's what you really gotta do here, is money management. So then you can actually do the psychology management at the like on top of that. And that's how you're gonna be able to stay in this game in the long run and be able to grow your account long term. That's what I want everybody to do here, is to be able to grow your account long term, because a lot of people came here for the cash flow, for the easy money, get rich quick, but you gotta realize this can be your retirement account. If this can regularly growing at the rate that is secured enough, you could actually turn this into a nice risk management that could likely earn you a good retirement at like $10 million by 10 years in. Don't believe me? Let's do a calculation. Let's do a calculation here. I just gonna do a flip so that you can see. Nope, not flip camera. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna do a flip mirror here. So, yeah, hopefully you don't see that. ดูห้องพี่อย่างรกเลย เมื่อกี้นี้ Okay, so this is something that I do it with all my um students. It's called financial calculator. This thing. I don't know if anybody have played this before, but this is one of the key retirement play that I am playing right now. So, for example, let's say that you're starting out with like $1,000. This is the reason, of course, why I always say that always start with $1,000. Let's say you're $1,000 in, and I'm telling you that you can divide it up to like $50 at a time. $50 at a time, meaning that if you win one, lose one, and then let's say you have เข้ามาใหม่ทำไมเปลี่ยนมุมคะเนี่ย เพราะว่าอยากโชว์ตัวนี้ไงเดี๋ยวมันจะอ่านไม่รู้เรื่องเพราะมันกลับหลังก็เลยจะทำตัวนี้ให้มันแบบให้มันแบบให้มันอ่านรู้เรื่องเนาะokay. So right now it is $1,000, right? And here's the calculation. If you have $1,000, you divide it up to 20. You have $50 each. You either gonna lose one or win two. So let's say every 2 days you're gonna be earning $50 every 2 days. And like I said, each month have about like 20 trading days. That means each month you could earn up to, if you're playing according to this, you could earn up to $500. Follow me so far? Tell me if you follow me so far. So every 2 days you have one loss, this is $50, one win, which is basically earning you $150. So for 2 days you invest $100 and you earn $50. So basically you growing your account from 100 to basically add $50 each every 2 days. So in 10 trading day, in 20 trading days, you could earn up to like $1,000, but I'm gonna divide it by half so that it's not getting too oversaturated here, and you'll be earning $500. Okay, or if you, we could actually go lower than that as well. We could actually do 10%. How's that? So every $1,000 you earn $100 each month, 10%. Okay, I'm really downplaying this. So let's imagine each month you earning 10%, and let's say you're not increasing your position at all, so you're not really doing the accumulation after a whole year. So you'll be earning $100 every month for the next 12 months, which means you're gonna be earning $1,200. 15 นาทีทิ้งไส้บนนะคะไม่เอสหน่อยหรอไม่เอสค่ะดูไทม์เฟรมครึ่งชั่วโมงดูไทม์เฟรม1 ชั่วโมงไทม์เฟรมแม้กระทั่งไทม์เฟรม15 นาทีพี่บอกเลยว่าน่ากลัวอยู่นะน่ากลัวอยู่ She was asking like, hey, the 15-minute time frame looks like it is about to come down. It's leaving like a bottoming, like topping tail right now. And I would say to you that I realize that you're seeing a topping tail in the 15-minute time frame, but I am looking at half-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Those two is bigger time frame than the 15 minutes. So if those two is evident that it could likely to go up, I don't want to play against that, and I am willing to just sit it out. Even if it does came down, I am feeling like I'm not missing it because that's not my trade. Okay, all right. So back to this. Let's say that every year, don't even need to do much. Like let's say every year from this point of view, you could earn double your money. Basically 100% every single year. Would you say 100% is hard? If it's too hard, we can do it lower as well. But let's just make it this that you can do 100% every single year. So, oops. Oh, I'm getting coughing. So, within 1 year, you double your money. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it. Okay. So 1 year, you double your money from $1,000 to $2,000. Well, here's the thing. If you do that for 2 years, you'll be earning $4,000. And what do you think, like, how much do you need for, let's say, I want to retire? How much money you think you need? I would say a good 10 mil would be pretty decent, right? So let's put that in. Let's say I want $10 million. How long to do this double up my money? อุ้ยสวัสดีค่ะเป็นไงคะบ้างคะเดี๋ยวพี่ใกล้เสร็จละเดี๋ยวแป๊บหนึ่งนะ So $10 million, press the period here, it's only gonna take you less than 15 years. So give or take like those couple of years of like struggle and learning, within 15 years, no matter what age you are, within 15 years, you could be having that $10 million from $1,000 account, as long as you can actually doing this doubling up every single year. And it's not that hard. When you actually divide it up, 100% is less than 10% a month only. And if you divide that up even more, you only need every 2-3 days, you only need to make like 1 or 2%. Where the power come from? The power is not coming from like getting rich quick. It's getting rich steady, growing your account steady, and finding the trading edge that works for you, that you can regularly grow your account. 10%, like 5%, 10% a month, that's huge. That's significant. If you can do that regularly, trust me, you're gonna be a millionaire. I don't care how old you are right now. I don't care how much time you think you don't have. But if you can do this, let's say you are, for example, if you are like me, you think you really like I'm 38 right now. Okay, I'm gonna be in February. Let's say I'm 38 right now. I'm 38, and I have in the next 15 years, I have kids, I have a girlfriend, I have a house, I have family, I have things to take care of, but I can't always spare $1,000. So let's imagine this. With that $1,000, it takes me 15 years, basically waiting for my kids to actually grow up. Take me 15 years for this account to go from $1,000 to $10 million. Here's the kicker. You never need to put any money in anymore. It's just going to be a steady growth, steady rise in your account. And with that, 38 plus 15, I'll basically be, oh my God, I can't do math. I'll basically be 53, right? Yeah, 38 plus 50. Yeah, I'll be 53 years old. Guys, I am gonna be really early retirement. I mean, 53 is, I still have like almost half my life to actually just go around, play some golf, play some pools. 53 is a pretty young to be retired, especially with $10 million. And that's the thing here. If you start out even younger than me, let's say you start out when you are like 20, that's the legal age where you can actually start trading. If you start out like when you're 20 plus 15 years, when you're my age, you'll be like sitting in a limo, just listening to music, chilling all day. You don't need to work at all for the rest of your life because you already have $10 million that readily making money for you. Imagine that. 3 นาทีทิ้งไส้บนนะคะเอสไหมไม่เอสแล้วค่ะไม่เล่นแล้วค่ะวันนี้พี่แบบพี่ทิ้งเลย จะให้เอสให้ได้ จริงเริ่มมีบายแอดแล้วนะพี่แนะนำนะเรามีบายแอดอย่างนี้นะเลิกเทรดบอกเลย เราจะเราจะได้เงินคีปเงินไว้อยู่ในกระเป๋าได้เยอะขึ้นนะคะ so what so that same trader here she was really saying that she was really nagging me about this. She was saying that can we sell now? It looks like it can sell now. This is half hour. It looks like it's leaving a topping tail now. It looks like it's gonna turn around. Yeah, I think it's good. It's in the next 3 minutes. I think it's gonna turn around. And I would say if you are this biased towards selling side without concerning about the reason I talk about, you're very likely to not have the edge working with you. So even if it does work out, I don't know if it's gonna work out for the rest of the 100 times. And the more confident you get, the more position sizing you will do, and that's when you actually get burned out because you are not doing money management, and when your confidence gets shot, that's where you're gonna take a leap and be like, I don't know if this is right for me. Well, it is not really gonna be about right or not right. It's about how you managing this early stage of your emotion. If you can manage this early stage of your emotion, be able to hold back, you won't step into the pitfall that you can get yourself hurt. So hope that helps. หนู S50 มาค่ะ รอ TP 1,000 จุดจัดไปแล้วแต่เลย เอาเลยนะคะประมาณนี้แล้วกันมีใครอยากถามอะไรไหมอีกประมาณ2 นาทีเดี๋ยวพี่ลงไลฟ์ละอีก 2-3 นาที Oh man, that's a good day. This is a good day. โอเคกลับมาเหมือนเดิมละ เครียดไหมครับเวลาลบเยอะ พี่มีสูตร อยากฟังไหมพี่มีสูตร ไม่มีคำว่าลบเยอะ ไม่มีคำว่าลบเยอะสำหรับพี่ อีกต่อไปจริงเมื่อวานเนี้ยลบเยอะ แต่หลังจากนี้ไม่มีคำว่าลบเยอะอีกต่อไป เพราะว่าเราคุมความเสี่ยงตั้งแต่เริ่มแรกเลย อยากฟังไหมคือจริงๆ เนี่ย ต้องบอกงี้นะ มุกว่าได้เงินในตลาดเนี้ยมันได้เงินง่ายมากจริงไหมลองถามมุกดูเนี่ย ได้เงินจากตลาดเนี้ยมันได้เงินง่ายมาก ที่ยากคือให้เงินมันอยู่ในกระเป๋าเราอันนั้นยากถูกป่ะได้เงินเนี่ยเดี๋ยวปุ๊บได้เงินแล้ว แต่ว่าการที่จะไม่ให้เงินมันออกจากกระเป๋าเราอันนั้นยากแชร์หน่อยค่ะ เริ่มแบบไม่กล้าออกออเดอร์เลยถ้าวันไหนลบเยอะ สิ่งที่เราทำนะ ไม่ต้องเทรดวันไหนที่ลบเยอะ วันไหนที่เราคือพี่จะทำอย่างนี้ พี่จะมีพอร์ตสมมติพี่มีพอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญนี่คือสาเหตุว่าทำไมพี่เน้นให้ทุกคนเติมพอร์ตมานะ 1,000 เหรียญเนี่ยเพราะว่าหลังจากเติมพอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญแล้วไม่ได้ให้ไปเติมพอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญแล้วก็ให้เทรดทั้ง 1,000 เหรียญนั้นนะแต่ให้รู้ว่าโอเคถ้าเกิดมีพอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญมันสามารถที่จะแบบเวลาได้มันสมน้ำสมเนื้อมันแบบได้ทีละ1,000-2,000อะไรอย่างเงี้ยเพราะว่านี่คือสิ่งที่เกิดขึ้นพี่จะให้พอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญนั้นหาร 20เลยลองคิดตามภาพตามนะพอร์ต 1,000 เหรียญเนี่ยหาร 20เราจะได้พอร์ตละ 50 เหรียญลองพอร์ต 50 เหรียญนั้นมันเล่นได้ทั้งเดือนเลยถูกไหมเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดว่าเรามีพอร์ต 50 เหรียญเนี่ยสมมุติว่าพอร์ตวันนี้เราแตก 50 เหรียญช่างมันไม่เป็นไรเราเล่นใหม่พรุ่งนี้และสิ่งที่พยายามจะทำคือเราพยายามที่จะให้มันโตมากกว่า100 เหรียญ พอร์ต50เนี่ยให้มันโตมากกว่าร้อยอาจจะ120 110 120 150ถ้าได้200เยี่ยมเยี่ยมเลยถ้าเกิดได้ถึง200แต่เอาแค่ให้ได้มากกว่า100อะพอแล้วนะซึ่งพอเราทำอย่างงี้ปุ๊บเนี่ยวันไหนที่เราเสียก็ไม่เป็นไรก็เสียแค่50แต่วันไหนที่เราได้เฮ้ยเราได้มากกว่า50เรามีทุนสำรองที่จะไปต่ออีก2วันเลยนะนึกออกไหม พอมันเป็นอย่างนั้นปุ๊บเนี่ยเราจะเริ่มแบบอุ่นใจมากขึ้นว่าวันไหนเสียยอมเสียไหมก็เนี่ยเราคิดไว้แล้วว่า maximum loss ของเราอะอยู่ที่50เหรียญเนี่ยพอเรามี maximum loss ของเราที่อยู่ที่50เหรียญปุ๊บเนี่ยเราก็พอไม่ต้องเล่นมันไม่ต้องเล่นตลอดเวลาเอาจริงๆนะใครที่เทรดเยอะใช่ SL ที่พอร์ตแต่เป็นพอร์ตเล็กที่แยกออกมาจากพอร์ตใหญ่แล้ว พอร์ตใหญ่สมมุติของพี่แล้วกันของพี่อะพอร์ตใหญ่อยู่ที่10,000 เหรียญพี่แยกออกมาพอร์ตละ100 เหรียญชิลไหมชิลมากแล้วแต่ละวันเนี่ยอย่างวันเนี้ยพี่ก็เทรดมาได้ประมาณ100อ่าประมาณนะ100 เหรียญไม่ใช่ประมาณหรอกเป๊ะๆเลยแหละนี่พี่เทรดมาได้ประมาณเกือบ100 เหรียญอะโอ้ยมองไม่เห็นเนาะอ่าพี่เทรดมาได้ประมาณเกือบ100 เหรียญนะเป๊ะๆเลยเนาะซึ่ง พี่ก็เลยแบบว่าวันนี้พี่เทรดได้เมื่อวานพี่เทรดเสียแต่มันยังเป็นอะไรที่พี่กำลังคุมเมื่อวานเนี่ยคุมตัวเองไม่ได้เมื่อวานเนี้ยพี่เติมไปบึ้ม3ทีเสียไป300 เหรียญแต่ลองคิดภาพนี้ว่าจาก10,000 เหรียญอะเสียไป300 เหรียญมันกี่เปอร์เซ็นต์3%เองนะคือมันน้อยมากนะพี่ให้เราอะหาร20ถูกไหมของพี่อะไม่ได้หาร20ของพี่อะหาร100เลยเพราะพี่อะจะชอบมีอารมณ์แบบเนี้ยที่แบบว่าเฮ้ยลืมตัวไปอะ นี่เติมไป3 ทีแล้วกะว่ามันต้องได้ดิสรุปแล้วไม่ได้โอเคพอเลิกก็ลบแค่3%ไงนึกออกไหมคราวนี้มันจะดีตรงนี้ที่ว่าพอเราแบบเริ่มคุมสติด้วยการแบบยืดดึงพอร์ตมาเป็นพอร์ตเล็กอะไรอย่างงี้ได้แล้วปุ๊บเนี่ยเราจะสามารถที่จะเฮ้ยค่อยๆเล่นค่อยๆปั้นค่อยๆโตและอย่างวันเนี้ยพี่ได้ช็อตนี้เลย พี่อาจจะออก lot size น้อยหน่อยแล้วก็ได้1,800 จุดเลยแต่มันทำให้พี่อุ่นใจว่ายังไงพี่ก็ได้เงินอะเทรดยังไงพี่ก็ได้เงินขอแค่ว่าพี่คุมหน่อยแล้วกันว่าวันหนึ่งเนี่ยพี่เสียไม่เกิน100 เหรียญแล้ววันที่ได้พี่ขอมากกว่า100 เหรียญสักนิดหนึ่งแล้วก็เล่นอย่างเงี้ยได้เสียได้เสียได้เสียซึ่งตามสถิติแล้วพี่อะ back test มาเยอะพี่อะรู้สถิติของตัวเองว่ายังไงพี่ก็เทรดได้ ถ้าเกิดพี่เทรดตามแบบตามเครื่องมือเป๊ะๆเทรดตาม winning edge ของพี่อะยังไงอะพี่ก็สามารถดึงเงินจากตลาดนี้ได้แต่มันจะเสียตรงที่วันหนึ่งที่พี่แบบสติแตกสติหลุดพยายามจะเอาชนะพยายามจะเอาคืนวันพวกนั้นนะคุมยังไงอันเนี้ยเป็นคีย์เลยเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยวันลบมีอยู่แล้วเมื่อวานเนี้ยพี่บอกเลยนะไม่มีใครอยากเทรดเลยพี่ถามไปโปรเทรดเดอร์ประมาณ10 กว่าคนในองค์กรของพี่อะที่ลีดเทรดกันอยู่บอกว่าขอไม่เทรดได้ไหมวันเนี้ย ลบกระนาวนะมันแบบมันไม่ใช่อ่ะมันแบบมันโครงสร้างแต่อย่าให้รู้ไว้เถอะว่ามันแค่จะมีวันหนึ่งอะนะไม่เกิน2-3วันต่อเดือนแล้วที่เหลือเราชนะตลอดอะเราจะให้วันเดียวที่เสียทำให้เราไม่กล้าเทรดวันรุ่งขึ้นไปตลอดเหรอวันเสียมีอยู่แล้วพี่บอกเลยใครที่เป็น Pro Trader แล้วบอกว่าผมไม่เคยเสียเลยแต่ละวัน BS นะ คือยังไงก็คือมีวันเสียแน่นอน แต่วันเสียนั้นนะคุณคุมยังไง ถ้าคุณคุมให้วันเสียมีน้อยโดยได้เสียน้อยกว่าวันที่ได้เนี่ยผมบอกเลยยังไงก็รวยแบบยังไงให้ใช้คำนี้แล้วกันยังไงก็รวยอะเทรดที่เนี่ยเทรดในตลาดเนี้ยจริงค่ะเมื่อวานบวก2,000จุดก็ไม่เอาแล้วกราฟกวนสุดๆใช่ คือโอ้ยเกาพุงครับคือต้องบอกอย่างงี้ว่าในตลาดนี้นะสิ่งที่ยากไม่ใช่การหาเงินฟังดีๆสิ่งที่ยากไม่ใช่การหาเงินสิ่งที่ยากคือการรักษาเงินถ้าคุณรักษาเงินรักษากำไรรักษาต้นทุนของคุณไม่ได้อะคุณอยู่ในตลาดที่ยากมากแต่ถ้าเกิดคุณรักษาได้บอกเลย ตลาดนี้ทำไมเทรดเดอร์ไม่เคยเลิกเทรดเคยสงสัยตรงนี้ไหมไม่ว่าจะมีวันเสียวันแย่วันอะไรของเขาแต่เทรดเดอร์ไม่เคยเลิกเทรดพี่เจอเทรดเดอร์ที่เทรดมา20 กว่าปีเขามีเงินเป็นหลายพันล้านเขาแบบสามารถที่จะแบบเกษียณแล้วแบบไม่ต้องทำอะไรทั้งชีวิตมีคนมาป้อนน้ำป้อนปลาได้ตลอดเลยเขาก็ยังเทรดเขามาไลฟ์เทรดพี่อะเรียนจากเขาเนี่ยแล้วก็แบบอ๋อใช่จริงคนที่เทรดได้พี่บอกเลยไม่มีทางเลิกเทรดพี่ก็จะบอกตรงนี้เลยว่าบอกกับทุกคนบอกเลยหน้าไลฟ์ตรงนี้เลยถ้าทุกคนรู้เหมือนสิ่งที่พี่รู้ตอนนี้นะไม่มีทางเลยที่คุณจะเลิกเทรดผมบอกตรงนี้เลยนะ เพราะฉะนั้นอย่ายอมแพ้หาวิธีจัดการเรื่องของการเงินแล้วก็เรื่องของการจำกัดความเสี่ยงแล้วก็ psychology ของตัวเองอะอยู่ในตลาดนี้ให้ยาวอยู่ให้เกิน10 ปีอะพี่บอกเลยว่าเทรดได้50เทรดเสีย55จบนะอันนั้นนะจบนะไม่เป็นไรก็เอ้ยถ้าเกิดว่าได้เสียแต่ว่าคุมอยู่อะไม่ว่าจะได้หรือจะเสียนะถ้าเกิดว่าสามารถคุมอยู่ได้ยังไงก็ไปนะครับประมาณนี้ so um I was saying to my students here that trading is something that you grow with it. You're not just getting something and then you're basically done here. You're actually growing, and how to grow is not in terms of like the market structured or there is this new technical coming in that will get you like 99% win rate or anything like that. It's not. Market is always like this. Market is just gonna be like this, and it always gonna stay like this. What you need to do, and this is very important, is that you need to be able to manage your portfolio, and then you need to be able to manage yourself. So what I mean by that is that in this trading environment, you really need to be able to have the discipline and the trading plan to actually have that winning edge so that you can actually win in this market. Be able to extract money from the market. And here's the thing that I would like to tell everybody here who start out new, that if you do know if you do know what I know right now, trust me, you would not stop trading. You would continue to trade until the end of time, until like Warren Buffett. He's never gonna stop trading. You look at all the biggest investor in the world. You look at um not just Warren Buffett, like Elon Musk or even Donald Trump, or you know every guys who actually been in the market, they know about the stock market and they're never going to stop in this stock market. So if you do know what I know right now, trust me, you would not stop trading. You would continue to trade and learn how to trade so that you can actually grow your account, because this is the best way to get rich here. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, I think I pretty much had to. Sorry, guys. Um, I think that's my cue. I am pretty much need to go off the air right now because there are people calling me, and basically I still have work to do. So if you do, 1 second. So if you like to trade with me some more, definitely shoot me a DM or just search me at Provin Trader on any channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Right now, I am actually gonna go offline, and I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern time and have a profitable day. Bye guys ไปแล้วครับบ๊ายบายครับบ๊ายบายครับเดี๋ยวต้องไปทำงานละ มาไลฟ์ได้แค่นี้แหละ2ชั่วโมงพา TP พอละบ๊ายบายค่ะ Good night ค่ะไว้เจอกันค่ะบ๊ายบาย